Hey guys! In this video, I'll guide you step by step through exactly how to lodge your tax return in Australia by yourself, completely online, for free, and without paying a single cent to an accountant. If you are an individual worker or a sole trader earning money in Australia, the idea of doing your own taxes can feel incredibly intimidating. But the Australian Taxation Office has made this process completely streamlined. Today, we are going to break down the exact software you need, the critical preparation rules, how to claim your work deductions safely, and how to avoid the massive late fees that trip up thousands of taxpayers every year. Let us start with the exact tools and timing you need to lock down. To do this yourself, you will be using a free government portal called myTax. Before you even log in, you must have a personal myGov account set up and securely linked directly to the Australian Taxation Office, or ATO. Once that link is established, you are ready to file. In terms of timing, the Australian financial year runs from the 1st of July to the 30th of June. If you are lodging the return entirely by yourself, your strict, non-negotiable deadline to submit the paperwork is the 31st of October. Missing this window can trigger heavy late lodgement penalties from the government, so do not procrastinate. Now, let us jump into the most important rule of the entire video. The secret to an effortless tax return is waiting for your data to pre-fill. If you log into myTax during the very first week of July, you will have to manually type in every payslip, which leads to massive errors. Instead, wait until late July or early August. By then, your employers, banks, health insurance funds, and government agencies will have already electronically sent your data straight to the ATO. When you log in, your income statements will be marked as tax-ready, meaning all your earnings and tax withheld are automatically loaded into your form. Let us walk through the 4 core steps inside myTax. Step 1 is updating your contact details and inputting your exact bank account information. Make sure your BSB and account number are flawless, because this is exactly where the ATO will deposit your refund. Step 2 is personalizing your return. The system will show you a checklist of checkboxes. You will tick the boxes that apply to you, such as whether you earned salary income, sole trader business income, bank interest, or if you sold cryptocurrency. This customizes the form so you only see sections relevant to your life. Step 3 is the deductions section, which is where you claim work-related expenses to maximize your refund. You can claim things like vehicle expenses, home office costs, protective clothing, or tools required for your job. However, the ATO enforces 3 strict golden rules here. You must have actually spent the money yourself without being reimbursed. The expense must directly relate to earning your income, and you must have a record, like a receipt, to prove it if your total claims exceed $300. Finally, step 4 is checking your estimate and submitting. The system features a built-in calculator that analyzes your data and tells you exactly what your financial outcome will be before you finalize anything. If you're happy with the calculation, you simply tick the declaration box to sign the document electronically and hit Submit. The ATO typically processes digital returns in less than 2 weeks, and your money will drop straight into your bank account. Get your myGov linked, wait for that data to pre-fill, log your claims, and you're officially done. Subscribe for more.